Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play Resident Evil 5 co-op online on PC. First, launch the game, and in the main menu or chapter select, set your network to online and co-op settings to invite only. Then access your Steam friends list by pressing Shift Tab, find the friend you want to play with, and select Invite to Game. Your friend will receive the invite, and once they accept, they will join your game session. First, launch Resident Evil 5 on your PC. Go to the main menu, select Chapter Select, and before you start a level, find the network selection and set it to online. Also, change the co-op settings to invite only. Access Steam Overlay. Press Shift Tab on your keyboard to open the Steam in-game overlay. Invite your friend. In the overlay, click on Friends tab to see your friends list. Right-click on the right friend you want to invite. Select Invite to Game from the context menu. Friend joins. Your friend will receive an in-game invite through Steam. They need to accept the game. Your friend's game will launch and they will join your session. Some important tips. Ensure Steam Overlay is enabled. If Shift Tab doesn't work, go to your Steam settings to ensure the in-game overlay is enabled. Be in the right screen. You need to be at the item/weapon screen on the game to successfully invite and receive friends. Restart may be needed. You might receive a prompt to restart the game after your friend joins. Press the escape key to access the menu and select restart to ensure your friend fully joins the game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.